Hi, my name's Kevin Hornal. I have been drumming for about 3 years, and I've recently became the drummer in the small band Vanta from Glasgow. My ideal drumsticks that I use are the Collision 5B Reach. Just gives you that extra bit of space to play on kits that maybe you're not comfortable with, or when you're out gigging, it just gives you a bit more space to work with. I love the brand Collision because there's a community of drummers. If you need to ask anything, you can. It's just a very open space. The drumsticks, very durable, some of the best that I've played with. And it's a great community for newcomers to come into and learn a bit more about drumming and ask any questions that you can. So I'm going to just be playing a groove that I enjoy playing anytime I'm warming up. I'll play it, and yeah.